Como ça va, YouTube? Danny here with Cajun Hydroponics. But, I tell you what, I'm tired of schooling. I'm not smart, but I hate going to school. It's not my thing, and finally done with it. Had way too many days of school this week. Today, let's talk about tomato clips. Tomato clips are wonderful, whether you're using single stemmed or if you're looking for stuff to clip the screens or cattle panels or anything like that. You know, tomato clips, they work well. If you're using it to clip to a string, see if I could get it in there. Right here. Right here. They have the little teeth. Let's show you how that works. The plant looks bad. Everything's bad. Right here, you can see, you come around and you put the little teeth on it, and when you close it, it makes a grip. What you want to do is put the tomato clips, if I can get it to let go, comme ça, like that. You want to put the tomato clips on the string, like that, clip them together, and you want them under a branch. That helps to hold it when the tomato starts to sag. Here's a better one. It's hanging right here. So when the tomato plant starts to get heavy and sag, it holds that branch right here. Not the clusters. You don't want them on the tomato clusters. You want them under a branch. And that'll help hold it as it grows up. I try to put one about every foot, 2 feet. Depending what time of the year it is. I will take it and use my taping machine, which does that. And it does help. But if you go too high with it, it ends up snapping the plant. Not very good. But another thing I like the tomato clips for is, as you can see, when I lean in lower, the plants don't want to stay over the buckets. So what I try to do is, let's see if I could do this one-handed. I'll take it in one that's staying, pass it, oh, I'm gonna get y'all dizzy, I bet. And then I take it and I pass it through the string on the other one that I want to stay where it's at. And clip it like that. And that helps hold the plant over the buckets as it's growing. All these plants right here, probably this afternoon or tomorrow, I'm getting ready to remove all the suckers off of them and try again for the fall plants. But right now, tomato clips, can't do. If you're growing single stemmed in a greenhouse, it's hard to do without them. They take so little time. They're so nice to work with. Everything's just an all-around great thing. So, South Louisiana, boy, it's lava hot. Breathing water almost with the humidity up around 130%. Mosquitoes are big like turkeys right now. They're trying to carry us away, but we love it, living in God's country. So y'all take care. Grow that later.